Hi guys, hi everyone. Tonight is Saturday Night Live, so I'm dressed up. First of all, wash your hands very well. Tonight we have a special evening. What we have done, we have cleaned the whole refrigerator. So it's Soul Kitchen. Okay.
All right.
So, first of all, the meat that was left over from the bolito. So
Okay.
the broth
From the broth from last
from
time
the
when we
broth
made passatelli.
last time.
Okay.
Then I had two.
Smells delicious. So you put it in the oven.
Put it
Right?
Put it in the oven to warm it up.
Okay.
And two beautiful sweet onion, two red beets.
So these are red beets and these are sweet onions. Okay.
Exactly.
And what have you done with them?
So I put in the oven
Okay.
since this morning.
Okay.
So they cook inside
Slowly
their
cooking.
own skin.
Okay.
And look at this, how beautiful they are.
Oh, that smells incredible.
Smells delicious, eh?
That smells
Smells
absolutely
truffle,
delicious.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Earthy
I love the
taste.
skin.
Look how beautiful they are.
Look at that color.
Yes.
Wow.
But first of all, let's start with you see, these are all the bones from
From when we made the
wings,
broth.
the chicken wings, you know. You clean all the bones and things.
And you just get pure meat.
imperfection,
Yeah.
And I got the meat. And we go on one side, all the chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have, hey doggy.
Monkey, what are you looking at?
Hey chef, but what are you making tonight?
And we're gonna make a warm salad.
A warm salad. Okay.
Warm salad.
A warm bolito salad.
Warm bolito salad. Then we put all the bone marrow.
Okay.
See? You look at this. Ah, so good.
That looks amazing.
Yeah.
So
And,
tonight is not
you know,
vegetarian
like-
night, that's
no,
for
it's
sure.
not vegetarian night. Could
was
be also
Friday.
could be also vegetarian night. Could be also vegetarian night. But
In what
know.
universe could it be
yeah.
vegetarian?
wait.
How can that be vegetarian?
Onion, red beet, salad from the garden. Look at that beautiful,
Actually, it's spinach.
beautiful spinach, freshly creamed. And we're gonna leave on the side here.
Okay.
Some Mizuno, like winter salad. Prepare the salad.
I love how intently Monk is watching also.
Watching his mom.
That's because it's not vegetarian night.
Exactly.
Then some, pomegranate.
Okay.
Charlie,
So we
fai
have-
vedere il tuo pigiama, com'è?
Today's the third week and sixth day and the fourth episode.
Thank you. Ah.
Thank you, Charlie.
He's our
Thank you,
calendar.
Charlie,
He
to
keeps
remind
us on. He keeps us on schedule.
Yeah, that's right. What day is it,
Charlie, tonight is Saturday night.
Tonight
we have a
Saturday
special-
at 12, 14, 3, and 23.
Say hi to Karime. She's online. Hello. Okay.
I just want to say hi to everyone who's watching this from all over the world. I'm so proud. Okay, so these we had the
Chef,
pomegranate,
what's that?
pomegranate, pistachios, fresh pistachios.
Okay. So you grinded them up in
Yeah.
there,
You see, this
Okay.
already there. You're right.
right?
We made the mayonnaise really old style.
Okay, so what does- So
But
what does old?
Aspetta.
Of course. Here's Monkey. So what is in mayonnaise old
Mayonnaise.
style?
Yolk,
Mm-hmm.
a little bit of the
Olive oil?
50% olive oil, 50% classic oil from sunflower seeds,
Okay.
a little bit of lemon.
Okay.
Instead of finish everything with a a spoon of classic vinegar.
Okay,
We're
so
gonna
you finish
add,
it with vinegar. Interesting.
The balsamic vinegar.
Okay.
That's the special touch.
The special.
balsamic vinegar.
We are in
from
Modena.
Modena.
Okay.
You know, that's Villa Manodori. Look at this.
That is Villa Manodori. Okay.
Who wants to taste?
Mom wants to taste it,
I
think.
want to taste. I want to taste.
No, the mayonnaise came out very well.
We're very happy with it.
Very.
Thank goodness.
I'm impressed, chef. Let me get a spoon.
No, here. With your finger.
My finger. All right. There we go.
That's definitely safe.
Came out very well.
For-
That's
Chef.
very good. Very
Came
good.
out very well, chef. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay.
Good. Fresh herbs.
So we're happy with our mayonnaise. We're putting fresh herbs on our
fresh
salad.
Thyme.
Fresh thyme, perfect.
A little bit of mint. Here
Okay.
and
So
there.
where'd you get all these herbs from?
At Casa Maria Luisa. Lara got this.
Oh, so these are the herbs from Casa
Yeah.
Maria Luisa, which
What is-
Mom
what is
planted.
This? The bronze,
It's
what?
from the vegetable garden. It's still producing a couple things. Not that much. Cabbages, spinach, herbs.
This is bronze
Wild
dill.
fennel. Wild fennel.
Wild fennel. This is very good. Yeah, a
Wow.
little bit of elicrisio.
Of Elicrisio, okay.
Elicrisio.
It's like a licorice herb.
Okay.
All right.
Mom is translating the herbs for us.
Whatever.
Mint is mint.
We're gonna
Mint
cut-
is mint. So these are the beets, yes?
Yeah. These are the beets. You see? In my mind, there was the vegetarian touch.
Oh, this was the vegetarian touch, okay.
Yeah, the vegetarian touch too.
For Monk. Monk wants the vegetarian touch tonight.
No, he doesn't like the vegetarian touch. I'm gonna keep also the
Monkey!
skin on.
We lost Pajama. Pajama!
Zama, where are you? Beautiful.
So now you're cutting up the onion also.
Yeah, beautiful onion, you see?
Okay.
Smells delicious.
This is so much better than watching the news.
Yeah, that's why it's 8 o'clock.
It took a quarantine to get my husband to cook at home, huh?
Yeah, we're very
Yeah.
excited.
Ah, this is so beautiful. Voila.
All right, so onion, red beet, we have
Right.
vegetable salad, we
Yeah.
have
Oh,
chicken.
I have a new thing, you know, that I found in the refrigerator
Ooh, what's that?
today is my friend Vicky.
Oh,
who
hi,
gave me
Wiki.
this. And
Vicky
he's
is a restaurant in Milan. And
Incredible
we were there in
restaurant.
December,
incredible
Christmas.
restaurant, you know, and we're gonna do a special thing. We're gonna clean
Well, what is that exactly?
his pork,
Pork belly.
oriental style, pork belly. So we're gonna move, we're gonna season the meat that was
From the
from
bolito.
Bolito with this amazing,
Lacquered.
you feel, smell the flavor, Alexa. Try to describe the flavor.
With your nose.
We are like,
I don't think I should do
In
that.
the form of a question.
Yes.
In the form of a question.
Please don't have me do that. I'm sure Mom is much more eloquent in this.
Okay. So we clean the whole refrigerator. You know,
For our Saturday night dinner.
Saturday night dinner. Clean everything. Feel how beautiful it is.
So what else are you gonna serve with the meat?
We're
Does it go
gonna
on top of the salad?
do this. Put a little bit of the balsamic vinegar inside the sauce,
Okay.
and then a little bit. Sauce on the top. Oh, this is the bolito
From heaven?
from heaven.
From Wednesday night.
Sorry from. Alright. A touch of beautiful vinegar on top of this. And what I want to do is something like this. No, I'm not sure it's gonna come out, but this
Okay.
is something.
So this is an experiment.
An experiment. I'm gonna add a little bit of hot water
To your mayonnaise.
to my mayonnaise. I'm gonna try to make a sauce.
We switch spots.
So like between a vinaigrette and a mayonnaise?
Yes.
Okay. So lighter than a mayonnaise, more liquid. Ooh. I
Mm.
like that.
So light dinner.
Alexa, you wanna play?
Do you have a problem with the menu tonight?
No,
You
no.
wanna prep-
God
have a
forbid.
problem?
No, no.
You wanna go out?
No, no, I'm
You
good.
can't go out, so you're
And
stuck with us.
last touch. That is my favorite touch.
What is that?
What is that?
Is
Crosta di parmigiano.
crosta di parmigiano.
Ooh, delicious.
Parmigiano Reggiano crust that I boil and
Girala dall'altra parte, si vede la crosta.
Mamma mia.
mamma mia che buono!
And try. It's so creamy, chewy,
Mamma mia.
delicious.
Monk got up at the end.
Monk, try.
One for Monk.
One for Monk. Very good.
I think he approves.
You approve.
Okay,
All right.
Touch
I'm
pinch
hungry.
of salt.
I'm ready. We lost pajama. Pajama!
Charlie, you are the national Italian taste tester. Thank you for your comment. That is
Okay.
actually the best name for Charlie.
Okay, and this is the dinner for tonight. So could be vegetarian, as I said. Could be, but
Not very
cucina
vegetarian.
Very active. But as a surprise tonight.
Oh, look who's
No,
come
I'm
for
not. Vai là.
What's
As
the
a surprise tonight, what do we have?
Oh, where did these
You
come
know,
from? Don't
the-
tell me you made these.
La Signora Anna. La Signora Anna. The mother of Domenico just made this for us. So, special for Charlie, what I did, I prepared a custard with a lot of vanilla, fresh vanilla. And it's like, I kept the custard a little bit creamy to open the donut and finish with the cherries. So, Charlie, at the end of the meal, you're gonna do this.
Oh, come on. He
Come
can
on.
have
No,
that.
no.
Another dish.
I'm gonna do it. Mmm.
Grazie, signora Anna.
Ragazzi, buon sabato sera! Thanks for everything. We love you. Stay safe. Stay tuned. Cooking is always an act of love.
Aspetta, non finito. Bye.
Bye, Charlie.
Bye.
Bye, Monk.
Bye.
Bye, Mom.
On the way, Trey.